We are making my California chicken chop today. This is one of my favorite recipes because it pretty much exemplifies why I love living and cooking in California. This salad might change throughout the seasons, but it's always the same. I love this really bright lemony dressing with it, some chicken, and then we chop together all of the beautiful produce that you find at the farmer's market. I've got corn that I just charred on the grill, and that is the easiest summer move. This is one of my favorite life hacks, is not cutting your corn standing up because the corn kernels fly all over your kitchen. One of my favorite sections in my book, What to Cook When You Don't Feel Like Cooking, is 17 ways to make yourself feel like cooking even when you really don't feel like it. If you're like, oh, I don't have time to cook, it's just because you're not layering things. And having really simple recipes like this one will help you do that. When we were planning the layout of this kitchen, I knew that I wanted to have this like central area. Within touching distance is this cast iron sink. This is such a workhorse. It's so huge that it can hold like an entire recipe's worth of dishes. We have these beautiful cherry tomatoes. Everyone assumes that because I'm a cookbook author, I have these like incredible eater kids. And I would just like to say, for the record, that that is completely false. I have picky little eaters just like you do. Before I toss the salad together, I'll grab my kids' plates, give them like a small pile of each of these things, and they will eat it. But the second I toss it together with this gorgeous, delicious dressing, they're like, hard pass, do not touch, I would never. So it's just kind of making it work for your good. Everything that I cook has fresh herbs in it. Some chopped mint, some dill, a little parsley. That's kind of the nice thing about having herbs in your garden, is that you can use a little bit of each thing and not have to buy 5 different things. So add that dressing and give it all a good toss right before serving. But I love that moment of everyone seeing that deconstructed platter. I'm like not one for theatrics when I'm entertaining. I'm making things as easy on myself as possible. But I do think that that moment where everyone sees what they're about to eat for dinner is just really special. Right before I eat, that's when I will do the final rinse on my greens and dry them off. I love using the bridge sprayer on that faucet to get all the dirt and grime out of there. It's the best with greens. It can be like really firm, it can be gentle. It's really fantastic for washing dishes. Beautiful, 20 minutes of chopping, but you get this gorgeous, gorgeous California chicken chop that I didn't season once because my salt and pepper's not in front of me.